Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and happy holidays wherever you are. Today I'm gonna pick some more papayas off the tree. So this one is rounder than the other one. There are two of them that are already yellow. If you have seen my other video, papaya plants are pretty efficient. The longer type, and of course it is ripe as well. So I'm gonna pick this one and those two. Some people are not able to eat papaya because of the aroma is so strong, and actually that happens to me as well. When I was little, I could not eat it, but as I grew older, somehow I was able to eat it. I don't know what happened, but when I was little, every time I wanted to eat it, I felt like throwing up just smelling it. Papaya tastes really good. For those who don't know how it tastes like, but it is very unfortunate for those who cannot eat it, because it is really a good fruit and it's full of papain, which is a digestive enzyme. You can use it to tenderize meat actually, and also it helps with your bowel movement. Alright, so I'm gonna pick this one. Not exactly sure how, but I see the stem right there. It's gonna fall. I cannot hold the camera and videotape at the same time, so clean looking. It's pretty clean because it's pretty ripe. There's not that much sap coming out. Okay, so there are two more on this one. I don't really like this one. The flesh is yellow. The other one is redder, red orange. This one is yellow, and it's not as sweet. The other one is sweeter. I just knock off the stem. Same thing, you don't hardly see any sap coming out because it's pretty ripe. If you were to pick a green one and you knock off the stem, there's a lot of sap coming out because it's not ripe. Here again, there's no sap coming out. There you have it, guys. Three ripe papayas. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.